Hello, everyone. So, what we're talking about today, we're up to study report number 5. We're talking about my socially technology supported learning environment. So some of the things that I said would happen would productive. It would help with productive learning. Has considerably evolved over the years. So there's three big aspects that are gonna enhance this growth: recent perspectives, assessment changes, and technology from the reading. Various elements have emerged as essential: practice learners, learning objects, assessment, and contact, and they combine to form an enriched environment. So here is an outline map. It depicts the elements in the model for different learning situations. So we have social technology supported learning environment that breaks down into integrating learners in the environment, familiarizing learners with the community of practice and improving authenticity, enhancing the awareness and the significance of the learning content and knowledge sharing, assessment that focuses on the value of learning the environment, and using different technologies and other learning tools to specify the enhanced instruction. So I'm going to try to bring this back to phys ed. So the frameworks, you can pretty much do it in any field. So if you did it with soccer, you could that's one example. Each element would have different multiple enrichment aspects. Benchmarking and attending matches would be for practice. The history and favorite player discussion for learners. And these elements can create an enriched learning environment. Here's a little mind map that I created because we just recently did mind map. So there's different strategies. You have the learners, essay on a favorite player, discuss elementary history, community of practice, like I said, benchmarking, attending matches, content, health benefits of exercise, benefits of football, assessment, your planning matches, evaluating tactic application, and your learning objectives, learning objects, online match, documentaries. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can go about it, but I thought that was a pretty good example. All right, thank you.